mighty God we serve. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee again. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. I want to use this opportunity to thank you guys for how far we have come. God bless you, okay? But today I am bringing you this delicious finger-licking, mouth-watering and crispy homemade KFC fried chicken. So let's go. So to begin with, we are going to make our marinade. So I have here some soya sauce, garlic powder. I'll be listing all ingredients in the description box, okay? I have some ketchup here, some cornstarch, and then I have my blended garlic, ginger, onion. Yes, so I'll add it to the marinade. Then I add some chicken powder, some black pepper, and then some salt to taste. Please be generous with the ingredients, okay? So now I'm going to stir for it to combine. Yes. So now our chicken marinade for our homemade KFC is ready. And then this is my drumstick I have neatly cleaned and washed. So I am going to apply the marinade on it. So at this point, you massage your chicken gently, yes, for it to engulf the marinade. Yes, so you just do it gradually and gently. Yes, be a good masseuse to the chicken, okay? So I will clean film it and then refrigerate it for about 5 hours. Yeah, you can, it's best done overnight, but I did mine about 5 hours. So now after 5 hours, I am going to prepare my flour. So I have this 1 cup of flour. So I add some garlic powder, some salt to taste, some chili pepper powder, some black pepper, some chicken seasoning, and then I stir. So now our powder is ready. So we are going to apply it on the chicken. So you do it just as I am doing it. Yeah, so we're going to coat our chicken with the powder. So after you do that, you dip it into water and then you take it back into the flour for the second coating. Yes, like I said, we are making KFC. Yes, this is the homemade. Yeah, guys, it's so nice and it was so tasty, well seasoned. My family was like, Eveee, just give me some more. Yes, so I do same for the remaining chicken. So make sure your chicken is well coated, okay? So once we are coating our chicken, I have my oil ready on fire. So from here, straight to the fire. And please note, this is a deep frying. Yes. And you can see our chicken is doing great here. But please do this on a low to medium heat, okay, so it doesn't burn. Also, it needs to cook very well from the inside, okay. So just be generous with the chicken, massage it, toss it in the oil, and then allow it to fry very well. So after about 15 to 30 minutes, you can see my chicken is doing glorious. Oh my goodness. And I just love the color, golden brown. Friends and family, I bet you'd fry your chicken this way and you'll be glad you did, okay. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys, especially my returning viewers. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay. So if you like this recipe, try it at home and send me a comment. I love you guys. God bless you whilst I enjoy my homemade KFC fried chicken. So see you in our next video. Bye bye.